Hey everyone, I'm Yvonne, the lady with the hammer. Woo! Hot day here in Manchester, New Hampshire. Anyways, I'm going to show you part of my French cleat system. I did my chop saw. I can't seem to find any tutorials on how to get that off the ground, so I figured it out myself. I'll turn the camera around and let you guys check it out. Alright, this is my French cleat system. It just comes right off like that. Everything's adjustable, but I couldn't figure out how to hang my chop saw. So I added this board between the 2x4s so it has plenty of strength. I made sure it was long enough from here to here that the saw will fit on there, and I'll show you why in a minute. There's the French cleat, and then I attached two pieces of 2x4 that are the same height. I put one here, and then I put the French cleat on the front. So when this hangs, this part right here gives you the thickness, and also when you take your saw out, it's the same height right now. You can take it right off the wall and use it just the way it is. All right, let me show you how it goes on the wall. All right, I'm gonna show you how it goes up on the wall. Don't mind what I'm wearing. It's hot in here. Let's see, it is 85. I don't really care. So basically, just hold on the French cleat. Just like that. And see here and here, it's perfectly spaced. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And you guys stay cool. Have a good holiday. Bye now.